the other one, second one, inside this, folded well with the design on top.
You put it here.
Inside, yes.
Inside, right? Inside, okay.
Then the third one also. Are you able to do it?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have seen this.
Yeah? Now we turn this, and the side which was folded, you take that. And you take this again, turn this side. And then you have for your so you can put three actually in this. You can put your knife, fork, spoon, whatever you want to put into a paper set. Did you get it? So yes. So now put that down. Hold this is open. Now hold it and turn it this way. And now fold this side and then that side. Got it.
Hey, hi Tarveen, you know I'm really fond of your workshops and I try not to miss it. And I would be hosting, you know, some friends for over high tea and maybe a small Christmas lunch.
Hi Dareen, you know I love your workshop so much. Today we are doing something very special and very exciting where we are bringing luxury and fashion and lifestyle under one roof at the Pernias pop-up shop. We are going to be hosting a festive table styling workshop and more like a master class where we are going to be covering 3 types of table style looks which you can do for a coffee table, for a high tea etiquette or a formal. So if you want to take back some information and teach your young